If you want to buy goods from China, I'm your guy. Hi there, my name is Clark, runs a factory and also have 6 years of experience as a sourcing agent. And over 1,000 happy customers from all over the world, whether it's the US, Mexico, Africa, the Middle East, or Southeast Asia, South America, and Europe. No matter where you are, I can deliver your product on time and impact. Our factory is located in Yuyao, Zhejiang, known as the City of Plastics, with a well-developed manufacturing industry. The factory can provide a one-stop service that includes stamping, injection molding, machining, and finished product production. If you have custom processing needs, all you need to do is send us the product images, dimensions, quantity, and your ideal purchase price. If you have already found products on 1688 or Pinduoduo, I will handle the rest for you. Please send me the links, and I can help you purchase and store the products for free because I have several large warehouses at your disposal. I also provide quality checks for each product, as well as product photography and videos. You don't have to worry about me charging extra for shipping. I know several reliable shipping companies, including those specializing in sensitive products. If you have your own shipping company, feel free to compare prices. I am very confident that my shipping costs are more competitive. My goal is simply to reduce unnecessary costs for you and retain long-term customers. As for my service fees, I offer an 80% discount to any new clients. Please DM me for more information, and you can get a better deal.